like not even connected right now.
To what?
Mac Bridge. Like look at the gap
Oh,
between
yeah.
this shit and the bridge.
Yeah, I think they're probably gonna redo that like platform.
Hello, this is Alex.
Hello?
Hi, my friend.
Hey, this is Jake, the locksmith.
Hi.
Hey, just let you know, I can be there in the next 20 minutes, but you told me until 4, so...
Yeah, I'm already left and Ryan's gonna be packing up soon, so we'll have to schedule for another day.
I see. And the car is on the street there, you know, like behind, you know, like all the other cars?
No,
or...
it's still in our warehouse because it's under bond, so it can't leave our warehouse.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I understand. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, we can book it for tomorrow. So
Okay, perfect.
thank you very much.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ryan decided, this is going to be a little bit more work and money than I thought it would be. Let me... Whoa. He saw cars moving and just went.